Hi everyone, I'm Mauricio Di Bartolomeo, co-founder here at ledn, and today I'm excited to introduce a new feature, partial loan repayments. Clients asked for more control and we delivered. With partial loan repayments, you can 1. Lower your liquidation risk by improving your loan-to-value ratio. This enhances the health of your loan. 2. You can reduce your balance owing, leading to lower daily interest costs and more efficient loan management. 3. You can enjoy more flexibility. Make partial repayments using stablecoins at any time with no prepayment penalties. And 4. You can grow your digital wealth. Combine partial loan repayments with other great loan management tools like redeeming excess collateral or auto top-up, and ledn's loan platform puts you squarely in control of maximizing your borrowing strategy. Now let me show you how easy this is to use. First, log into your ledn account, head over to Loan, click Repay, and choose Partial Repayment. Then just enter the amount and see the impact on your loan. When you're ready, click Submit Repayment, and that's it. It's that simple. Take control of your loan and grow your digital wealth using ledn. To get started, visit ledn.io. And thanks again for choosing ledn.